Let's turn it on here. Oh, very cool. And that's how you turn it on. Hey guys, Paulo here. Today we're out in the beautiful Muskoka, Ontario cottage country, and I'm going to be testing out my DJI FPV drone around this beautiful private lake. And I thought it's been a long time coming since I did a video on a drone, because I've had this for a couple of years now. And I've gone through the whole process of learning how to fly an FPV drone at high speeds in this whole manual mode, which is really crazy if you think about it, because when you think about drones, most of them are the cinematic kind, like the Mavic series or the Inspire series. But it's very rare you hear about these kind of drones, because once you get into the whole FPV drone thing, it gets really, really addicting. But you only have one chance to sort of fly it if you mess up. And the thing about these is that you need a lot of confidence in flying these in manual mode. I gave it a try in the most basic setting, like there's a normal setting, a sports setting, and a manual setting. And today we'll be flying this thing over Deer Lake. And the challenge here is that there's water underneath, which is really dangerous if you're flying this in manual mode. But I'm going to show you how quick this thing can go. I think over 100 kilometers an hour. Yeah, from an item you can get from a local Best Buy. Let's check it out. So back to the studio, you guys saw how awesome this DJI FPV is, and whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pilot, drones are a gateway to a whole new perspective. And trust me, it's a lot of fun. So why is now the best time to get into drones? For starters, they're more accessible and affordable than ever. Plus, the tech packed into these things is just insane. Take this DJI FPV for example. It's a few years old now, but it's still ahead of its time even today. You've got 4K 60, incredible control, and it's even easy to pick up even if you're a beginner. And that's not all. Brands like DJI have made drones more consumer friendly. Models like the DJI Mini 4K or even the Mavic are perfect for those who want to capture cinematic footage without breaking the bank. Now, going back to this beast again, the DJI FPV redefined what a consumer drone could do. It's super fast, like I mentioned earlier, but what makes it special is the immersive experience. Pop on these FPV goggles and it's like you're flying the drone literally in the air yourself, and it's just an unmatched experience. And even today, the DJI FPV holds its ground as one of the most exhilarating drones to fly. Whether you're doing cinematic shoots or just having fun, it's definitely a drone that delivers. But maybe speed and tricks aren't your thing. DJI's got you covered with a lineup of drones that cater to every skill level and purpose. Starting the lineup, the DJI Neo is the latest addition, the palm-sized ultralight drone perfect for vloggers and beginners. It can take off and land from the palm of your hand without a remote controller, making it incredibly user-friendly. Despite its compact size, it captures stunning 4K, stabilized video, and features AI subject tracking to keep you in frame effortlessly. Well, the DJI Mini 4K is a lightweight portable option for travelers and casual flyers, as well as beginners alike. The DJI Mavic is a versatile workhorse for semi-pros and hobbyists alike. The DJI Avata series is an all-rounder with FPV capabilities, perfect for beginners and experts, and for those who want a little less of a level from the DJI FPV. And of course, the DJI FPV, a thrill seeker's dream. Each drone offers something unique, so whether you're looking to capture stunning landscapes or get your adrenaline rushing, there's definitely a DJI drone for you. Alright, now let's talk about something that every drone pilot should consider. This is definitely something that I fortunately got in the beginning. It's called the DJI Care Refresh. It's an optional service plan that gives you peace of mind every time you take off. Here's how it works. The DJI Care Refresh covers accidental damage, whether it's from crashes, water damage, or even flyaways. If something goes wrong, even if it's your fault, you can get a replacement drone for a very minimal cost. And trust me, I've tested this plan myself and I can 100% personally vouch for this care plan. On one of my flights, I miscalculated a sharp turn and, well, let's just say my drone didn't win against, well, the ground. But thanks to DJI Care Refresh, I was able to get a replacement without breaking the bank, and I believe I paid less than 150 Canadian to get my replacement. I also got a second one just in case, because when you're out in the field and you lose a drone, it's really a bummer that you can't fly. So I've got the DJI Care Refresh for both, so if I ever crash these, I can get one as a replacement for minimal fee. And what's really great is the flyaway coverage. What that means is if your drone takes off and never comes back, hey, it happens, you can still get a replacement. Just make sure to bind your drone and your controller to your DJI account before you fly. And just to close it up, with the 1-year plan, you're eligible for up to 2 replacements, while with a 2-year plan offers up to 4 replacements. So both plans include free factory maintenance, exclusive repair discounts, and even warranty extension if you don't use a replacement. Purchasing the plan is really simple. You can add the DJI Care Refresh when you buy your drone or within a certain time frame after activation. Let's say you fly it for a little bit and you're like, oh, you know what, this is a little scary, maybe I should get that Care Refresh. I would highly recommend it for sure. It's available in over 20 countries, so you can fly confidently wherever you are. And here's another reason why now is the perfect time to start flying. It's called safety. DJI drones come packed with intelligent safety features that make flying even easier and more reliable than before. Features like advanced obstacle avoidance, return to home, and real-time GPS tracking ensures that even beginners can fly confidently. These drones practically take care of themselves, so you can focus on enjoying the experience rather than worrying about crashes. Plus, with features like FlySafe and geofencing, DJI helps keep you compliant with local regulations so you can explore the skies responsibly. So, what do you think? Are you ready to take flight with a drone? Let me know in the comments which DJI drone you're most excited about, and if you're already flying, share your best tips or stories. I'd love to hear them and we can talk about them down in the comments below. I've got more videos in the works, so stay tuned, and until then, get out there and start exploring. Till next time, see ya.